is a iPhone 6. Model designation is A1586 and the IMEI is 3535. The front of the display is fractured right now. There doesn't appear to be any. There's a little bit of fragmentation up there. Has been serviced with us before by expert tech Mr. Khan. Serial number installed is 0817. It looks like all parts and screws are intact. The battery cover plate was a little bit loose. I went ahead and tightened it up for him, and I'll go ahead and quote a repair price of $79.99, and we're going to take about 30 minutes to service and replace the screen. The device right now is that's incoming. It's taking an incoming charge current is 0.60 amperes, but the screen is completely blacked out. I hope that changing the screen will restore the display.